Understanding the science behind the sense of smell involves exploring the physiological processes by which the olfactory system detects and interprets odors. Here's an explanation structured into 8 to 10 short paragraphs. Olfactory anatomy. The sense of smell begins with the olfactory system, located in the nasal cavity. Olfactory receptors are specialized nerve cells located on the olfactory epithelium, a thin layer of tissue high in the nasal cavity. Odor detection. Odor molecules, or odorants, enter the nasal cavity during inhalation and dissolve in the mucus lining the olfactory epithelium. Olfactory receptors detect specific chemical compounds in these odorants. Olfactory receptor cells. Olfactory receptor cells contain proteins called odorant receptors, which bind to odor molecules and initiate a series of biochemical signals. Each olfactory receptor cell expresses a single type of receptor, and together they can detect a wide range of odorants. Transmission of signals. When odorant receptors bind to specific odor molecules, they trigger electrical impulses that travel along the olfactory nerve fibers to the olfactory bulb at the base of the brain. The olfactory bulb processes and relays these signals to higher brain regions for interpretation. Brain processing. Olfactory information is processed in brain regions such as the olfactory cortex, located in the temporal lobe. Neural circuits in these areas analyze odor signals, integrate them with other sensory information, and generate the perception of smell. Discrimination of odors. Humans can distinguish between thousands of different odors, detecting nuances in intensity, quality, and familiarity. This ability to discriminate odors is influenced by genetics, experience, and learned associations with specific smells. Emotional and memory associations. The sense of smell is closely linked to emotions and memory. Olfactory signals can evoke strong emotional responses and trigger memories associated with particular scents, often more vividly than other sensory cues. Adaptation and sensitivity. Olfactory adaptation refers to the temporary decrease in sensitivity to odors after prolonged exposure. This adaptive mechanism helps prevent sensory overload and allows the olfactory system to detect new and changing odors. Disorders and impairments. Olfactory disorders, such as anosmia, loss of smell, or hyposmia, reduced sense of smell, can result from conditions like nasal congestion, head trauma, aging, or neurological diseases. Assessment of olfactory function is crucial in diagnosing these disorders. Applications in health and industry. Understanding the science behind smell informs research into olfactory perception, sensory integration, and applications in areas such as flavor enhancement, fragrance development, environmental monitoring, and detection of hazardous substances. Understanding the science behind the sense of smell provides insights into its biological mechanisms, sensory processing, and roles in human perception and behavior. By unraveling these mechanisms, researchers aim to enhance olfactory health, develop odor-related technologies, and deepen our understanding of olfactory contributions to human experience.